Hi friends, this is 5 Minutes YouTube channel. Here is Vivo V21e smartphone. In this video, you will learn how you can set a dark theme in your phone Vivo V21e. First of all, go to the settings of your phone here and click on display and brightness. Now, turn on the button again, it says dark theme. Just turn on this button and you will see here will never turn off automatically. That means unless otherwise if you turn off this dark theme, it will not automatically turn off. Dark theme is permanently applied if you turn on this button until you turn it off. If you want to customize dark theme, click over dark theme here and it is showing always on. And also you can use other options, schedule sunset to sunrise. Just if you turn on this button, automatically sunset to sunrise timings will be followed for dark theme. And also you can turn on at custom time. Just you can use this button, so you can customize dark theme, start time and end time. Click on start time here and set the time as per your convenient. Here night 8 o'clock is already set. You can change. Here I would like to change 7 sorry 27 19 railway timing 24-hour timing is followed, so I would like to start the dark mode timing at 7 p.m. and click on end time. I would like to end just at 6 o'clock 6 a.m. so I select 6 here. You can also select minutes here. If you would like to end on 6:15 a.m., just choose 15 here and yes, it is selected and click on OK. Now start time is 7 p.m., that is 19 hour, and end time is 6:15 a.m. In this time automatically dark mode will be set. Otherwise, if you would like to set it instantly, use this button and it is set now. So in this way you can easily customize dark theme in your phone Vivo V21e. That's all friends, thanks for watching, bye.